Welcome to this demonstration of Skyramp, the vibe testing platform. In this video, we will show you how to use Skyramp to create accurate and detailed UI tests for your web applications, directly from your IDE. For this demo, we are using Visual Studio Code with the Skyramp extension installed, but you can use Skyramp with any IDE that supports MCPs, like Cursor and Windsurf. We will be creating tests for the admin portal of a sample e-commerce site called Demo Shop. Let's begin by asking Skyramp how we can create UI tests. The agent responds with a detailed set of instructions. This flow is simple enough for developers creating their first UI test, and flexible enough for experienced testers who may already have a trace file available. Let's assume this is our first time creating a UI test, and follow the agent's guided process. As per the instructions, we ask the agent to start the trace. The Skyramp agent asks for confirmation and then starts trace collection. It automatically takes care of all dependencies and infrastructure by deploying a Skyramp worker to capture back-end traffic and launching a Playwright trace collection browser for front-end actions. Now, we are ready to begin creating our UI test. Let's open the Demo Shop application in the trace collection browser and begin performing the actions we want to test. We create a new product and then assert the price in the product details page. Next, we navigate to the order catalog, add a new order, and then cancel the newly created order. Finally, we go back to the product catalog and delete the product we created earlier. This completes the user flow we want our UI test to represent. Now let's return to VS Code and ask the Skyramp agent to stop the trace collection. The agent confirms the action and stops the trace session. We can see that both back-end and front-end trace files have been created. Next, let's ask the agent to create a UI test from the trace. In the confirmation message, we see that only the front-end trace file is used, because we requested a UI test. If we had asked for an end-to-end test, both trace files would have been used. The agent handles all the design elements and dependencies for us, so we can focus on the test scenario itself. Let's continue on to test generation. When it is complete, we receive a confirmation message, along with a reference to the generated test file. Let's take a closer look. We can see all the user actions captured along with proper timeouts for hydration to ensure that back-end actions and JavaScript loads complete between steps. The default Playwright captures can be hard to read, so let's ask the agent to modularize the test. The agent confirms and updates the test file. Now, we see the test organized logically by user behavior, making it easier to read and maintain. Next, let's ask the agent how we can run the test. The agent responds with detailed instructions, including required dependencies and the exact command to run the test. Let's copy the command over to terminal, add the headed parameter so we can see the test in action, and execute the test. The agent starts a new test session, launches the browser, and runs through the exact sequence of recorded user actions. Once the run is complete, the test results appear directly in the terminal. That concludes our demo. By handling all the required dependencies and infrastructure, and with seamless integration to your code, environment, and workflows, Skyramp is built to make UI testing simple and accurate. Thank you for watching. Happy testing.